Ma'am, can I say?
Have I asked anything? Shh, quiet. What is it?
Ma'am, steam engine, industrial driven.
Quiet, stop. So class, water turns into vapor at about 70
to 100 degrees, ma'am. Good steam, you can kill all the germs and bacteria.
Oh, what is the source of this amazing piece of information?
From my washing machine, ma'am.
Sonali, quiet. Really? Washing machine?
The IFB washing machine generates steam at 85 degrees, unlike others that generate steam at 65 degrees. At 85 degrees, germs and bacteria do not survive.
And how different is steam between 65 and 85 degrees?
Ma'am, just look at my coat.
Hey, Ethan, what else does your washing machine do?